Hello everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, you're looking at one of our new beer dispensers. This is going to be a 2-tap beer dispenser. Brand on this unit is our own company brand, Cooler Depot. Now, before we get started on more, I want to go ahead and give you the overall exterior measurements. I'll also measure the inside for you for this unit. Okay, starting with the length, you're looking at a total of 48 3/4 for this unit. For depth, you're looking at 24.5 inches. And the overall height, from the bottom to the counter here, you're looking at a total of 41 inches. 41. Okay, just for the tower itself, you're looking at about 12 inches. Okay, also the unit has wheels, casters on the bottom, so you can easily move it around. Measurement for the wheels there, you're looking at a total of 5 inches. Okay, also you have obviously your taps, your tower. You have a little waste tray here on the front that you can simply go ahead and open up. There's a drain on the front here for that. Also on the front, we have our temperature control. So obviously the unit will be running and it will show temperature once the unit is on. Also, you can set your temperature, and we have a light switch and a power switch. You also will be provided with keys. As you can see here, we have locks for each door, so you will have keys for that as well. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and open up the inside. Okay, so for the inside here, you can see you will be provided with your shelves, 2 shelves, and you can locate your keys as well on the inside. Okay, inside measurements, front to back, you're looking at a total of 17 inches. Okay, for the length here, you're looking at a total of about, to be exact, 36.5 inches. And the overall height on the inside here, you're looking at 29 inches. Okay, also on the inside here, you will be able to locate stickers with all these specs, circuit diagram, and certification for this beer dispenser. Okay, so that will all be located on the inside for this unit. Okay, so that's going to be a little demonstration for the inside and the inside measurements. Okay guys, now we're going to go ahead and show you the back of this beer dispenser. And on the back, we're going to be able to locate our plug. It is going to be a standard US plug here. Also, we have our compressor located on one of the corners of this beer dispenser. And that's just going to be a little demonstration overall for the back of this beer dispenser. Okay guys, now if you're interested in one of these beer dispensers, you can go on our website, coolerdepot.usa.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the price for this exact model. If you have any other questions, you can also give us a call and we'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.